This is LooLocate, a web application which helps you to find nearby restaurants. I'm on the homepage of this particular LooLocate, where you can see it is written that you can discover clean and accessible restaurants around you with ease. Beneath that, you can see a search bar which helps us to filter the toilets based on your location, specific range from your location, and also the cost filters, like you can filter the paid toilets and free toilets. And when I scroll a little, you can see four floating cards which gives the slight insight of the features of this particular website. Like you can access the instant you can instantly access nearby toilets. There's a community trusted ratings on each toilet by the real users. Also there's a cost transparency, like you can check the free toilets. You can also go through the paid toilets where you see the price of different toilets. Then there's also the accessibility information for each restroom. You can go through the accessibility information with this particular website. When I scroll more, there's a map here. You can see there's a cluster. This is a cluster map where each cluster represent the number of restrooms in that particular region. When I click on each cluster, it splits apart, and when I click it on multiple times, you can see it splits into the each individual restroom. When I click on each any dot, you can see a slight notification like thing popped up which gives us the summary of that particular restroom in that region. So I can go through the this information, and if I need more details of that restroom, I can click on view details, where I will be redirected to the details page. And here you can see I can look the images. Then there's a address here shown, and there's all the information shown on this particular card, like whether the toilet is free or paid. Then is it for accessible for male or female, whether the toilet is clean or not. Based on this review, there's a 4 star, so it means that the toilet is clean. And then there's also the rating of this particular restroom given by Sherwood, named user. Then if I can scroll here again, then you can see a map which helps a user to navigate to find a restroom. When I click on this, you can see that this is a restroom which it is locating. Then if I have to add any review on this particular toilet, then for that I need to have a particular account. So without account I cannot add a review. If I click on this login, I will be redirected to the login page, where it automatically filled with my credentials. I already had one account, so it filled these credentials here. And suppose if I don't want to create any account and find nearby restroom, I can see a browse toilets button here. So if I click this browse toilets button, I will be redirected to the dashboard where I can see all the restrooms here. Then I can go through these restrooms and find the nearby based on the location, or else I can use this search bar feature which helps to filter the toilets based on the location. So I already have one location. If I click paste this particular location, then search here, then you can see 3 toilets are there here. So I can also filter them based on the pricing. I can just filter free only. So when I click search, I get only the free toilets. If I click on the paid one only, then I will be given the filter of all the paid toilets. And I can also use this use my location button, which automatically fetches my own location, and it fetched my own location here, and there aren't any toilets on this particular location. So let's add a toilet on this particular location. If I click the add toilet, then it will be redirected to the login page. Then I can either register if I am a new user, or add uh, I can directly enter my own credentials. So I will log in here. when I sign in, I will be redirected to the dashboard here. So if I again click use my location will be automatically fetched here, and aren't any toilets here. So when I add when I click on that add button, I will be shown a form where it asks me to fill mm, the details of the toilet you are going to add. So I will add here the name of the toilet, public toilet. Then I will use my location feature, which fetches my location. Then I will add a description. Then I will keep it as a female. Then I will enter the price of that particular toilet. I added that this toilet is paid one, and I will keep the rating as 4 stars, and I will also click as sanitary disposal. Then I will add this image, and I will create this toilet. And when I click on that create toilets, it shows that it is saving. When it is saved, that I will be redirected to that details page. So I can see here there are the details showing here, like the description, the address of that toilet, the tags of features, whether it is paid, whether it has the accessibility, all like accessibility information. Then you can see there's a button of edit and delete thing. So the other users cannot edit or delete this particular toilet. And I can also add a review. So when I will add nice clean toilet, I will submit the rating. So here's the thing, Tyler added a review nice clean toilet on this particular date. So after adding the review, you can see that it says that you have already reviewed this toilet. So each user can only add once only. So now I will again go on my dashboard of browse toilets, and I will click here, use my location. Now I should suppose see the toilet, but I don't see the toilet. This is where the admin feature comes in. So when a user adds the toilet, it won't directly shown to the other people, other users, right? So the admin has to approve the toilet. So this is the another tab. So here I will log in as admin. So this admin account here I will log in as admin. And I logged in as an admin. You can see there's a new button showing here, the admin panel. When I click on this admin panel, there's the panel opened here, and you can see the number of toilets which are pending, number of the toilets which are approved, and number of the toilets which are rejected. So I will go in pending section, and you can see our newly added toilet which is shown here. If I click on this approve, if I click on the approve button, it will be added to the approved thing, and I will go back, and here again I will search that with this particular location. Then you can see that our toilet is showing here. I can go through that, and you can see on this particular location the toilet is added. I can also update this toilet, like I can change the name, I can change the image, and I can click on this update thing. When I click on that update, you can see that the name has been changed. So this is the toilet uh, finder app, which helps you to find the nearby toilets. And the admin feature helps us to manage and manipulate the toilets and deal with the data. So no inappropriate information is shown to the other users. So I can reject any toilet, and I can also approve the rejected toilets again. So this is the feature which where the admin can do and manage every toilets. If I click on the browse toilets with the admin account, and I go through one toilet, then you can see that it even though this toilet is not added by the admin, there is a edit and delete and reject button. So the admin can delete any toilet, he can update any toilet. So the admin has the power to uh, deal with any users added data. So this is the power the admin gets in this particular website. So this is the LooLocate restroom. You can go through the project. The code is shared on the GitHub. It is also deployed on the Vercel app. So this is the thing. You can share your reviews. You can also share extra features that I should add on this particular toilet. So thank you.